In this video, we will show how to insert an isolator in SeismoStruct. After creating our structural model, to the Element Classes tab, we select Isolator 1. And we click Add. A dialog window will appear. Here, we first assign a name to the element class. Then, from the drop-down menu, we select Isolator 1. After that, we may click on View Response Curve Plots. And we visualize the response curves that have been defined for each degree of freedom. Once the element class has been defined, we move to the Element Connectivity tab. And we click Add. In the dialog window that opens, we first give a name to the element we want to insert, and then we select the appropriate element class. For this type of element, four nodes need to be defined. The first two nodes are structural nodes, and they need to coincide, since all link elements have an initial length equal to 0. For node 1, we select node N011, and for node 2 we select N011*. A third and a fourth non-structural nodes are required to define the orientation of the local axis. For the third node, we select node N111 in order to define the local axis 1. For the fourth node, we select node N112 to define local axis 2 and 3, according to the global and local axis system conventions. Alternatively, instead of the definition of a third and a fourth node, we may simply select the keyword default, which implies that local axis 1 is along the X global axis, and local axis 3 is along the Z global axis. Once all nodes are defined, we click OK and the isolator is inserted into the model.